Have you ever wondered why Toyota cars seem to last forever? You see them on the road, 10, 15, even 20 years old, and they still run like new. While other cars of the same age are struggling with repairs, a Toyota keeps moving. There's a reason for this reputation, and it's more than just luck or careful owners. Today, we're diving deep into why Toyota has become synonymous with reliability and longevity. It all starts with engineering philosophy. Toyota has a concept called Kaizen, which means continuous improvement. Every single model, every single part is designed, tested, and improved over decades. When they notice a small flaw in a car, they fix it in the next version, making each new Toyota slightly better than the last. This mindset isn't just about making cars, it's about making cars that last decades without breaking down. Next, let's talk materials and design. Toyota doesn't chase flashiness. They focus on durability. The engines are robust, the transmissions are strong, and even the smallest components are built to withstand years of wear and tear. Unlike some cars that are designed to impress buyers for the first year, Toyota designs for the long run. That's why you can find a 15-year-old Corolla with over 200,000 miles still running smoothly. Then there's maintenance philosophy. Toyota cars are designed to be simple, easy to repair, and forgiving if you miss a service. Their parts are widely available and affordable, meaning owners can maintain them without spending a fortune. And because repairs are straightforward, the car often stays on the road longer. This combination of durability and ease of care is rare in the car world. But it's not just about mechanics. Toyota's corporate culture plays a huge role. The company invests in research, tests cars in extreme climates, and constantly gathers data from real-world usage. From the freezing roads of Canada to the scorching highways of Arizona, Toyota cars are tested to handle it all. They don't just survive these conditions, they thrive. This rigorous testing ensures that every car rolling off the production line has already endured what many other cars only face after years of use. Another secret is conservative innovation. Toyota isn't always first to release flashy tech. Instead, they focus on proven solutions, tested systems, and engineering stability. They innovate when they know it will last. That's why hybrid systems like the Prius continue to be reliable even after 15 years. The technology is advanced but carefully executed, so it doesn't fail under normal conditions. And then there's the human factor. Toyota owners tend to take better care of their cars. Knowing that these cars are built to last, people follow the recommended maintenance schedules and treat their vehicles with care. But even for those who aren't meticulous, a Toyota is forgiving in ways other cars aren't. It all adds up. A philosophy of continuous improvement, durable engineering, rigorous testing, smart innovation, and owner-friendly design. These elements combine to create a car that can last decades. It's not magic. It's Toyota's unwavering commitment to quality. So next time you see a 20-year-old Toyota still cruising down the highway, remember, it's not just a car. It's a product of decades of knowledge, design, and engineering perfection. And maybe, just maybe, it's a small reminder of what happens when a company prioritizes reliability over flashiness. In a world where many cars feel disposable, Toyota reminds us that some things are built to last, if you know where to look.